Good morning, class. My name is Mr. G. I'm going to be your physical instructor today. Before we get started, I would just like to ask you guys, Justin, by any chance, do you know what a performance-enhancing drug is?
Steroid?
It is a steroid. It's one of the many steroids, actually. And I'm sure you guys didn't even know this, but there is actually performance-enhancing drugs in table tennis. There are all different kinds of performance-enhancing drugs, such as stimulants, antibiotics, steroids, as well as painkillers. This could cause all kinds of things for females. You can grow facial hair if you don't want that, as well as a few guys could make you have small ping pongs, as well as other things, liver failure as well. But enough with that. We'll go over some more of that as this unit progresses. All right. Well, today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a backhanded loop, which is the top spin, as well as a backhanded chop, which is the slice. Also, we're going to, when I blow my whistle, this is going to be a signal for attention. When I blow it one time, you guys are going to do your activity. When I do it 2 times, you're going to stop. Okay? For right now, I just want you guys to handle it, play against each other, just hit the ball around. There are 2 balls over here with the ball. Try and keep it on the table. Let me see what you guys have. Ready? Guys, just 1 second. I'm sorry. Also, safety rules. Try not to throw the racket around and throwing the ball too hard. I don't want you guys picking each other with the ball. And be aware of your surroundings. Make sure you respect yourselves, as well as the equipment, and myself as well. Okay? First top. Play it. Alright guys. Alright, now I'm going to teach you guys come back over here for me. Give me your paddles. I'm going to get played trying to teach us. Okay, so basically what I'm going to teach you guys is like I said, a backhand loop as well as a backhand chop. The difference is the top spin and the slice. What you're going to see here right now is you're going to see the difference. A slice is an angle where a ball spins to the left. If you're a righty, it spins to the right. If you're a lefty, pretty much is the opposite way of what you're swinging. We're going to do a backhand, so I'm going to show you really fast. You're going to do for a chop, you're going to do from shoulder to the hip when you're aiming. So let the ball hit once and do it again. Sorry guys. And the contact, and you see how the ball slice to the left. That's what you're going to do. That's going to be your slice. So while we're going at it right now, you guys take each of the ball. What? Oh. So what we're going to do right now is I want you guys to just hit against the wall right now and wipe up the table. Try and see if you can get that angle on the ball to spin. Again, make sure you hit it softly because these do break easily and we don't want to break the equipment. Okay, so keep going with that. Make sure you see the angle. Remember the cues. From the shoulder to the opposite hip. You guys see the angle? This is just one of the many techniques you can use to help try and decoy your opponent from getting a goal. Kind of a trick. Oh, boy. Okay, come back over here. I'm now going to teach you the top spin or loop, as it's called. It's called loop for a reason because when you make contact with the ball, sorry, come back over here. When you guys make contact with the ball is going to spin in a forward motion, and the ball is going to loop under. This is to keep the ball on the table, as well as if you're going to hit it hard enough, we're going to try to limb and hit the table. Okay, it's also deceiving to the eye, and it's a defense for opponents. So in order to do this, you're going to use the same cues, but opposite. So instead of going from shoulder to hip to do a slice, you're going to do from hip to shoulder. But what I want you to do is, I want to make sure that your grip is at a 45-degree angle towards where you're going to hit it. So as you guys can see, it's going to be angled a little bit side to the left, so that you get that little so you can spin the ball. So let me show you this, how this is done. You're going to bounce it once really light, and then, sorry, on top. See how I went down like that? Obviously, I didn't do it too close. Now, I want you guys to try this as you were with the backhanded slice against the wall. Can you do it for me? Hand to the ball. And remember what I said, hit the ball lightly. No, that was more of a pass. I want you to sit your left knee, start with your hip, and then, and then make sure the angle on the pad. No, you're getting over it. You're going to get over it.
Right in the middle.
Alright, so, there you go. Awesome. Remember, you want to get on top of the bolts. That's why it's called top movement, to try and get that grip. Okay? Back over here. Alright, now guys, what I'm going to try and get you guys to do now is I want you guys to if you can, get on the table. Try and use, first I want you to use the backhanded slice on the table. I want you to try and hit the table. I want you guys to try and hit the table at least 5 times consecutively without trying to get it. I want you to hit the table over the other side without actually dropping it like over there. See, I don't want that. I want you guys to hit the table. So go against each other. If you guys don't make it over the table, it's a point up. Okay, so use this floor. Remember, we do backhanded chop. So what is the backhanded chop?
Shoulder to hip.
Shoulder to hip. There you go. Make sure you have your shoulder aimed towards where you want the target to go. Have whatever shoulder you have the paddle on aimed towards your target. Yeah, exactly. Good job, guys.
Slice the table.
See it being sliced and it's making an angle difference, but making it harder for you guys? Okay, now I want you to incorporate that as well as the top spin that I showed you, which is, where's the cue for the top spin? You have to shoulder. And make sure you do your backhand, don't backhand. Yeah, backhand. So it's going to be from that hip to the shoulder. Make sure you got the top of the ball. And you can use both that as well as the backhand slice. Also, if you guys seem to be getting further away, so move back a little bit, guys. All right, we're gonna try to using the distance. Make sure the distance is further away will be easier for you guys. All right, try your backhands. Make sure you try to keep eye contact with the ball. It's a lot of advanced things. Concentrating on the hit as well as the actual cues.
Almost 10.
Okay. No. It's hard to do. I know. Try
Rob.
your best to try and do that.
Rob, at 10.
Justin, what you're doing is you're Get your target down and go up. There you go. There you go.
Eat me up.
Guys, do your Now, if you guys find this too easy, you guys can try your different. Try non-dominant hand. If you're a righty or a lefty, you're And you know what? For some people, it actually ends up being easier than non-dominant.
I do not want to let you
There you go. That's actually really nice. You're awesome. You gotta keep track of points.
No.
Try to keep track of how many times you can get the opposite side of the table.
Oh, man.
Try to get it consecutively 5 times.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I want you
Let's see.
together. That's good.
So we're fresh out.
Alright, I need you guys to do the spins. You guys do the spins. So, like I said, you're not following through. You guys are jumping up. I want you guys to follow through. See, you guys are just beginning, so if you know what, if it ends up dropping down here, that's okay. Just try and hit it up from there.
So you're not
You're trying to get your position.
Put it back down.
You gotta be prepared. Be prepared. That was a good slice.
That's pretty good.
Alright, you guys want to try one more thing for me? Move this to the side. Using your backhanded slice, or backhanded chop is what it's called. I want you to try and volley the ball up. Alex, you look like demonstrate for me?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is a backhanded chop. Now, again, what are the cues? Chop, shoulder in, with a full follow. So I want you to try and slice it up in the air and volley it, keep it there like the floor. Okay, ready? Like that. There you go. Hand-eye coordination is key, as well as actually making contact. This will come second nature. You're just trying to make sure you can hit it. See that? There you go. If you bounce the ones, it's okay. Alright, so that would be Justin. Remember, just try to get in the air. No line around, just try and softly. Justin, you're not you're not, remember, you're gonna try and go from shoulder to hip. Follow through. But remember, with the angle of the paddle, you should be able to go up.
Oh, swing this.
There you go, just like that, just a little bit higher. Now remember guys, the harder you swing the fifth, the harder it's going to be for you to make contact. We're just learning in the beginning right now. So I want you guys to try and really want to make contact and follow contact on the cues and follow them. You don't have to hit it very hard. Okay, ready in? Alright guys, you did a great job today. Just a couple things I'd like to go over with you. Performance enhancing drugs. Why are they benefiting? Exactly, heart liver, stroke, bad stroke, heart diseases, girls who go failure, all kinds of cosmetic reasons. But more importantly, we want you guys to be naturally integrative to make sure that you guys can do the best you can be naturally. Okay, and what is the two cues for both the backhanded chop as well as the backhanded loop? Very good. Good job today, guys. Bring it in. When I say ping, you say pong. Ping, pong, ping, pong, ping, pong. All right, good job.